In Pakistan, 25th December is not only celebrated as Christmas, but also as the birthday of our beloved founder Qaida Muhammad Ali Jinnah. As the countdown to Christmas enters the last stages, here are some happy faces in Karachi enjoying the occasion. Christmas is incomplete without the installation of a well-decorated Christmas tree at home. Christmas tree is an evergreen tree, usually it is a pine, fir or spruce, while many opt for artificial tree due to the growth limitation. All family members come together while decorating a Christmas tree and children take special interest making it all shiny and glittery. Elements like colored lights, garland, tinsel, Christmas ornaments, baubles and globes are used in Christmas tree decoration. Decorations are not limited to tree only, but the event has its share of characters as well. From snowman to the Santa Claus on his sledge being pulled by reindeers across the North Pole, carrying all the Christmas gifts is a common sight. Children feel especially happy getting the gifts from Santa or getting these from the stockings early in the morning. The day is also marked with some of the amazing food and desserts specially prepared for the family. Team Doctory wishes its viewers a Merry Christmas and season greetings. If you enjoyed our video, then click the circle on your screen to subscribe Doctory Gardening channel. It's me, Dr. Lee from the Team Doctory signing off. Take care and a very happy new year.